Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Today I want to talk about technical and fundamental analysis. This is something that is confusing for many traders. So fundamental analysis is the stuff that people look at to see what a company is actually worth. And that may include things like, looking up the news, going to FinViz or whatever site you tend to look at the news, do stuff like that. Also, going to things like Barron's. Here, let me pull that up for a second here. What I like to do every now and then is go to Barron's and go down here to financials and look at some of their statements: income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement. These are the things that help you determine mathematically what a company's actual value should be. Now, technical analysis is something very different. Technical analysis is looking at charts. So if we were to look at a chart of like Ford here, we see, okay, on this day, the price went down. There was a range from, here to here. This was the open, this was the close, and this was the volume. So these things are technical information, and what that is it's really a map of human behavior. It's people making decisions on many different types of information, including fundamental and including previous technical information, and that gets factored into the price. So in a way, it's sort of like a digest of everything that happened, of every decision that was made, and what happened to the price as a result of that. So two very different things. Both are very useful, and hopefully that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.